Hello, good evening, dear traders. This is Alice Lind from Finmax company, and this is my webinar. I wanted to devote it to the platform that you are going or you are using right now. It's really important part of the work to understand how does the platform work and what you can do with its help. Um, First of all, I would like to ask you to put pluses to those who are present. Let's wait for a minute. Okay, I see a couple pluses. Let's wait for the rest just for a second. So the work on the platform, it starts with the choosing of the asset. Finmax allow you to work on more than 75 different assets. You can see the list of them on the platform. Okay, when you scroll here, you will see all available assets that you can work at right now. You can scroll and scroll. You see here a lot of them. Those assets that are highlighted in black, they are not available right now because they are out of trading hours. So you just need to wait for the session to come up, and after that you will be able to start trading. So this is how the scrolling helps. It's pretty convenient. But to find the asset that you are interested at fast, you can use this magnifier button. You press on it, and here you can see different groups of assets that you are working at. First, it's the currency, stocks, commodities, indices, pairs, and quick search for your convenience. So that's pretty simple how you're choosing. You just press on it, on the asset that you want to work at, and you see the chart devoted to this asset. Okay, the time frames is also important part of your work here. You need to understand that basically what we are doing here, we estimate the direction of the asset within certain time frames. It means that if you are choosing Euro USD, let's say, you need to estimate within what time period, within what time range, the price for this asset gonna change. On our platform, you can work on the short term, starting from 30 seconds, and for average term till the end of the day, and of course long term, for 1 day, for 2 days, for a week, for month, up to 6 months. Pretty convenient, and it makes our platform suitable for everyone, for fast traders, for those who prefer to work on the middle range, and of course for those whose analysis work for long period of time. So first step, you choose the asset. Second step, you choose this time frame. Afterwards, you need to estimate the direction. Here you see two buttons. That's pretty simple. If you think that the price for the asset gonna go up, you press on the high button. If you think that the price for the asset gonna go down, you press on the low button. You can see straight away the payout rate. It means how much money you're gonna get when you will open the trade. After you will press this button, the platform will ask you to confirm your decision, pressing on this button. I won't open the trade right now on this time frame because, well, I haven't made any analysis. So that's pretty simple. If you choose the longer time frames, also you need to confirm your decision. When you need to add fast money to the amount that you have chosen, you simply press on this button so in order to add more funds, depending on the amount that you have on your account and the strategy that you are working with. Okay, besides this chart, you can see that it's moving, and it's shown in the line view. You can switch for your convenience to area view. It looks like, hold on. It looks like that. Uh, and to the candlestick. So what is more convenient, you're choosing for yourself. Also, you can zoom in and can zoom out in order also for your convenience. If you used to work on the longer time frames, it may be more convenient for you to trade if you zoom out. Also here you can see the different time frames: 1 hour, 2 hours, 5 hours, depending of course on your strategy. We also added couple indicators on this platform. Most popular of them, SMA, it looks like that. That's the simple moving average. That's RCI, it looks like that. And Bollinger Bands, MACD, sorry, here it is. So you can choose all of them or just one of them, couple of them, combine them in order to make analysis on the platform and on your trading. Okay, if you are not enough with these indicators that we have here, you can always switch to advanced charts, and there we have the full list of different indicators that can help you in your work here. Okay, I believe it's simple with this information. So here we have the trader's sentiment. It shows you the information, the choose or the decision of our traders. It doesn't tell you to open this or that trade. You just see what is more popular right now. Here to the left, you see this menu that allow you to see what first allow you to do a couple of different things on the platform. On our platform, there can be several working menus. I mean the way how you work on the platform. First, it's absolutely manual trading. It means that you make an analysis of the chart, you open the trades manually. The second, it's half automatic. It means that you are using the trading signals that we have on the platform. You don't make any analysis, you just choose the trading signals and open the trade based on that. So pretty simple and pretty good. And talking about the signals, you will receive approximately 200 of them daily. They are absolutely different, starting from 1 minute, also 5 minutes, 15 minutes, completely different ranges based on the current analysis, based on what's going on right now on the market. So as right now it's pretty late time, we have long-term signals for Euro and USD to Japanese yen. I will pay more attention to the signals a bit later. And of course, here we have this such thing as social radar. Social radar allows you to trade here fully automatically. Basically, it doesn't need you to open the trade manually, it doesn't take you to make an analysis. Here you can see the list of our most successful traders on the platform within 3 last days. I'm sorry. You can see who of them are online. They are highlighted with the green, and how much profit they have made, and what's their turnover. So if you will start working using this system, using the social radar, you can choose between pretty much of the traders that we have currently. So let's say you want to follow this trader. You choose him among other traders, and you can see information about him. You can see that he had made profit of $549. The volume, his total volume is $4,000, a bit more. So what you do in order to follow him, what you do in order to copy his trade, just simply press follow the trader. He will be here for you. Just simply switch manage. Here you choose the amount per trade. trade size. You can start with 5, depending on the amount that you have on your account. And here the limit loss, the limit that you are ready to invest in this trader. Let's say I want to follow him using $200, and after that I simply, hold on, I will put here, let's say 400. I will let him open 2 trades, and simply you switch this button, press on this button, and it's activated. So when he will start trading, your trades on the platform will be opened automatically with the amount that you wanted to. Okay, I will switch it off for a while. Also, so you can choose between all of them to see what is better for them. We have such function on the platform as reverse losers. You can choose between traders who are trading not so good, and you can also, the trades can also be copied, but vice versa. If this trader open the trade for Euro USD high for 2 minutes, on your platform it will be opened for low, the same time frame, but the opposite direction. It will allow you also to make money. So it's simply to use, and it doesn't take you much of your time in order to trade here, because you simply choose the trader, you choose the amount of money per trade, you choose the limit of loss. That's it. You can enter your trading platform once in a week or once in 2 weeks to see what's going on here and to count your profit. So 3 variants of work: half manual, half automatic, fully automatic, and manual. Manual demands, of course, a bit more of your time and attention towards trading. I prefer to trade myself, and I work with pretty a lot of traders whom I help here with trading, with advices. We develop together the trading system, trading strategy. I spoke a lot before about that. And well, if you will have the system, if you will have the ideas, if you have the clear vision of what you need to do on this platform, on this market, you will make money here. So I can show you also what we have here. Here we have the open position. You can see the position that have been opened by you, and you see the full information about them. Trade number, trade time, expiry time. So my trade gonna expire like in half an hour. Asset that I have chosen, order type, strike price, the price which was when I opened the trade, current price, investment, the payout that I gonna get. And you see here also the information when the trade gonna expire and its status. We have 3 different statuses. In the money, that means profit. Out of money, it means that trade gonna expire in a loss. And at the money, it means that the strike price and current price are the same. So basically that's not good, not bad. Also, on the platform you can see 3 different buttons that allow you to manage the current trade. You can see the first button is to hedge. Hedge means that the trade of the same amount, the same time frame will be opened, but the opposite direction that you have opened. That let's see, I have opened the low position order type, and if I press this button, the trade for high will be opened. Double up allows you to, if your trade is in the money or you want to overlap the previous trade, you can press on this button. The trade of the same amount will be opened, the same direction, the same expiry time. And also you can sell the trade back to the market. It can be done if you have open trade within 1 trading day. So if you have opened today trade that's gonna expire tomorrow, you cannot sell it back. And of course there should be some amount of time left before the expiry of the trade. So you see here that if I will sell back my trade, I'm gonna get $517 as a return. So a bit of profit from this investment. As my trade is in the money, there is no point to open to sell it back. I'm sorry. Okay, and the last thing that we have here is a closed positions. Here I can show you the last 10 trades that were opened on my account. You can see the statistics. Well, not all of these trades were opened in the money, but if you will count, you will see that I am following the trading system that I have, and at the end I am making profit. You can have one profitable trade out of 10, but still be in the profit. For that you need a system. So let's see. Here you can see the 10 trades, the last 10 trades, the asset, of course, expiry time, trade time, the order type, strike, closed order. It means the price that was when the trade expired, investment, payout rate, and the return. If the trade expired out of money, you will see here that 0. If it expires in the money, you see the amount that was returned. So basically, to count the profit, you just simply make this 845 minus 500 and you get the profit, $345 at the profit. So let's see what we've got here. I traded yesterday on crude oil. That was like the information about crude oil inventories. It come out every Wednesday, and it shows what's the amount of oil left in the reservoirs in the United States. So you see here that I opened, okay, this trade expired in the money. I opened the first trade, it expired out of money. The second trade I doubled the amount, the investment per trade, it expired also out of money. The third trade expired in the money. So in this trade I covered everything that I lost previously and made some profit on it. Here it expired in the money, this one out of money. Also after that I opened the second trade with the bigger amount in order to cover the previous losses, and you see it expired in the money as well. So we have at the end plus. Here the same situation, one trade expired out of money, the second in the money. The loss was covered. And this one, the last one that was closed, it expired out of money, but the current trade that I have opened, it's profitable right now, so it will cover the previous results and I still will be in profit. So basically that's it. What I wanted to tell more about the instruments that we have on the platform. Here you see the guide, information about the trading. You can you can see the account types, to choose between them. You can read here about different accounts that we have and advantages of each account. So you choose between them, choose which one is suitable for you and what service you want to get. Let's say if you want trading signals that I showed you before, you need to choose at least silver account, and for 1 month you will get the free access to the best signals ever. Also, gold account gives you trading signals for all the time, unlimited access to them. You can see here also assets that are available, and you can see the brief information about these assets. You can see the trading hours for these assets when you can trade on them, and you can see here more detailed information. Education, it can be good as for beginners as for advanced traders, because here you can see educational video from the very beginning, what is binary option, market analysis. It's more deeper information for those who want to learn the market. Let's see, what do we have here? Here we have like certain lessons that are the first steps of trader on this market. It tell you about all the notions of the market and help you to understand it better. Okay, let's go back. Market analysis, trading psychology. Also, really important thing about trading is psychology, because sometimes trading can be stressful, sometimes it can be emotional, but it should be profitable. So it's better to know some of these rules. Especially, I recommend to pay attention to the grid and risk management. Of course, money management. Never forget about this. So really, really good thing. Really, really good video about that. Also, strategy. Here you can read the strategies that we offer to our traders. Of course, much more you can get from your manager, from the expert that you are working with. Webinars that are current, VIP webinars, glossary, information that you may need in order to understand the market better. Well, pretty much of it. And the last thing is calendar webinars, planned webinars that you can attend. Here we have like frequently asked questions. Also, a lot of good information that can be useful to you. Instruments, trading news, recent news on the market, economic calendar. Let's pay attention to it because that's pretty important. Economic calendar tell you what news, what events in the market we're gonna have soon or we had in the past. That's pretty easy to use it because here you see the time when the new gonna come up. Here the currency that it deal with, the volatility of this event. One bull's hat, two bull's hats, and three. Three is the most important. By the way, that is the crude oil inventory event that I traded yesterday. So today we have Thursday. Let's see what do we have here today. In 35 minutes, Connie gonna speak. That's the head of Bank of England. So that's person whose words influence the market, influence the British pound really hard. So if you are trading on the British pound or on the British stocks, it's really important to listen to him, and you can make pretty much on his words. Usually when he speaks, there is pretty high volatility on the market, but it takes like short term, it doesn't have long range influence. Market analysis, social trading, information about the social trading. About social radar analysis, advanced chart. Okay, let's pay more attention to the advanced charts because that's really important for us. Advanced charts let you analyze the market more detailed using more indicators. Let's see, here we have the chart for Euro USD 1 minute time frame. 1 minute means that each candle, this is called candles, on the market shows the changes in price for 1 minute. Here you see the current price and the time left before the candle will be closed. You can switch between different time frames. 1 minute, 30 minutes, 1 hour. Here you can choose yourself. Let's say 240 minutes. It means that each candle on the market or each candle on the chart shows us changes in price for 4 hours. Here, let's see. Also, you can choose here. Here are indicators that you can add to the chart. Let's say linear regression to see the trend, current trend. Well, Euro USD in 4-hour time frame is going well in the corridor, but we can say that it's going up, a bit up. 1 day, it shows the opposite direction. If you are trading long term, it's better to pay attention that the trend is going down. So you can add much more indicators to your chart in order to analyze the market better. Let's say right now we have MACD and we have the linear regression chart. Here are also instruments that help you to manage your chart, to manage the indicators and to analyze the market. Pretty much of them. So basically, that's the general what you need to know about the platform, how to use it, and of course, every time that you need help or assistance, you can turn to your expert. You can ask your account manager, the person who you work with, about the notions that you want to know, about the things that you need to know, and what is not clear for you. We are trying to do our best all the time in order to help our traders. So basically, that's it. The platform is really simple, it's really user friendly. You can download it to any of your devices that you have, to the tablet, to the cell phone, and to be trading all the time. So if you will have some questions, feel free to ask to your manager, to the customer support. You can ask here. And we will do our best to help you to understand this market, to build a successful trading system, and to make money here. Okay, this webinar was pretty short, but I hope that it helped you and trade successfully.